English tenses in Yorùbá. Simple present. I play ball. Mo máa ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I play ball. Mo máa ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Present continuous. I am playing ball. Mò ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I am playing ball. Mò ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Simple past. I played ball. Mo gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I played ball. Mo gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Past continuous. I was playing ball. Mò ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I was playing ball. Mò ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Present perfect. I have played ball. Mo ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I have played ball. Mo ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Present perfect continuous. I have been playing ball. Mo ti ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Mo ti ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Past perfect. I had played ball. Mo ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I had played ball. Mo ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Past perfect continuous. I had been playing ball. Mo ti ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I had been playing ball. Mo ti ń gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Future simple. I will play ball. Màá gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. I will play ball. Màá gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Future continuous. I will be playing ball. I will be playing ball. Màá máa gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Màá máa gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Future perfect. I will have played ball. I will have played ball. Màá ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Màá ti gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Future perfect continuous. I will have been playing ball. I will have been playing ball. Màá ti máa gbá bọ́ọ̀lù. Màá ti máa gbá bọ́ọ̀lù.